Excel Data Analysis Overview. Overview. Excel provides commands, functions, and tools that make your data analysis task easy. You can avoid many time-consuming and or complex calculations using Excel. In this tutorial or in this video, you will get a head start on how you can perform data analysis with Excel. So actually, not in this video, but in this course, you will understand with relevant examples, step-by-step usage of Excel commands and screenshots at every step. So this is what we're going to do for the rest of for the succeeding videos that I'll be doing. So first we have ranges and tables. So we'll be talking about ranges and tables. The data that you have can be in a range or in a table. Certain operations on data can be performed whether the data is in a range or in a table. However, there are certain operations that are more effective when data is in tables rather than in ranges. There are also operations that are exclusively for tables. You will understand the ways of analyzing data in ranges and tables as well. You will understand how to name ranges, use the names, and manage the names. The same would apply for names in the table. So these are the topics that we'll be discussing in our next videos. So we have ranges and tables. Another topic will be about data cleaning. So using text functions and how do we clean dates and time. You need to clean the data obtained from various sources. Wait, alisin mo nga. From various sources and structured before proceeding to data analysis. Sorry about that. You will learn how you can clean the data with text functions and data that contain date values and data that contain or cells that contain time values. We'll be also learning about conditional formatting. Excel provides you conditional formatting commands that allow you to color the cells or font, have symbols next to values in the cells based on predefined criteria. This helps one in visualizing the prominent values. You will understand the various commands for conditionally formatting the cells. So this is one way of visualizing your data using conditional formatting. Then we have sorting and filtering. During the preparation of data analysis and or to display certain important data, you might have to sort and or filter your data. You can do the same with the easy to use sorting and filtering options that you have in Excel. We also have subtotals with ranges. As you are aware, pivot table is normally used to summarize data. However, subtotals with the ranges is another feature provided by Excel that will allow you to group or ungroup data and summarize the data present in ranges with easy steps. Then we have quick analysis. With the quick analysis tool in Excel, you can quickly perform various data analysis tasks and make quick visualizations of the results. And we also have to understand the lookup functions. Excel lookup functions enable you to find the data values that match a defined criteria from a huge amount of data. Pivot tables. With pivot tables, you can summarize the data, prepare reports dynamically by changing the contents of the pivot tables. Data visualization. You will learn several data visualization techniques using Excel charts. You will also learn how to create band chart, thermometer chart, Gantt chart, waterfall chart, spark lines, and pivot charts. Data validation. It might be required that only valid values be entered into certain cells. Otherwise, they may lead to incorrect calculations. With data validation commands, you can easily set up data validation values for a cell. An input message prompting the user on what is expected to be entered in a cell, validate the values entered with the defined criteria, and display an error message in case of incorrect entries. So this will minimize data cleaning. if you have data validation, so while entering data. We also have financial analysis. So Excel provides you several financial functions. However, for commonly occurring problems that require financial analysis, you can learn how to use a combination of these functions. So these are the topics that you'll be expecting from our next videos. Then working with multiple worksheets. You might have to perform several identical calculations in more than one worksheet. Instead of repeating these calculations in each worksheet, you can do it one worksheet and have it appear in the other selected worksheets as well. You can also summarize the data from the various worksheets into a report worksheet. Formula auditing. When you use formulas, you might want to check whether the formulas are working as expected. In Excel, formula auditing commands help you in tracing the precedent and dependent values and error checking. Inquire. Excel also provides Inquire add-in that enable you to compare two workbooks to identify changes, create interactive reports, and view the relationships among workbooks, worksheets, and cells. You can also clean the excessive formatting in a worksheet that makes Excel slow or makes the file size huge. So this is our overview of the videos that you'll be expecting from this course. Thank you very much for viewing this video.